Subscribe to our channel. VPN provides you with tools and information to help you run your business smoothly.
TruLease versus traditional renting. Are you a remote small business owner or entrepreneur in the US looking for a commercial address, but not ready to take on the cost and commitment of a traditional lease? That's what TruLease is all about. What is TruLease? TruLease is an address service solution that helps you support your need to satisfy business verification requirements. VPN partners with building owners who have commercial office space available to rent. This removes any of the traditional barriers like credit checks and personal guarantees, while still giving you what matters most: a real US commercial address, a signed 1-year lease agreement, a utility bill, available in your lessor's name or your business's name as an add-on service. Fees may apply. Every plan also includes VPN's virtual mailbox service, giving you a second address for everyday mail, packages, and additional business needs outside of the physical address, like remote check deposits, package forwarding, and complimentary registered agent service. How TruLease works. Signing up is simple. Choose your physical address location, choose your plan, and immediately receive your documents. Just fast access to the professional presence your business needs. Who is TruLease perfect for? Whether you're launching an e-commerce store, applying for Stripe or PayPal, or opening a business bank account, TruLease gives you the documentation you need fast. Please note, we can't guarantee specific outcomes like approval or success. There are many factors at play, and those can vary depending on your situation. What we do guarantee is that you'll receive a professional, commercial address with a valid lease agreement. Hidden costs often missed and cost breakdown. Most US-based business owners don't realize just how many extras get added to a lease, like property insurance requirements and responsibility for maintenance and repairs. These aren't optional, they're contractual, and they add up. With TruLease, there are no surprises, just one price. Traditional versus TruLease setup. Need a lease with a utility bill service fast? Here's what a time comparison could look like. With a traditional lease, it's 2 to 4 weeks of calls, tours, and negotiations. With TruLease, it's 15 minutes online, and documents are delivered instantly. TruLease isn't just an address service. It's a smarter, faster, and more affordable way to lease your physical address. Be sure to watch this video for more information about TruLease next. Learn more.